Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Um, I had a hernia operation 9 days ago. It was amazing and a life-changing decision. If you are procrastinating a year, 2 years, mine was about almost 2 years. So no pain. I had a pain about 3 months ago, but I have the coverage now for my Medi-Cal, so I had to do it. I just got it done the 23rd. First day is very scary. Night before, you can't eat anything, which I didn't do, but very thirsty. I still drunk a Gatorade and a water before I went into the operation room. But as soon as you're in the operation room, bam, lights are out. Okay, so basically that's what's gonna happen. But before that, I advise you to shave down there in the hernia area, midsection. If you didn't shave, they will shave you before it's done. When I woke up from the operation, they tried to do an inguinal hernia repair, which was by laparoscopic. So going through the belly button and going down by tools. They tried that, they couldn't do it, so they had to open me up on both sides of the growing area. So now I have a scar near my belly button and two scars on the bottom, which I don't think it's gonna come out okay. They did a good nice line on both sides evenly, but it was the first day was very pain. You need to definitely be on the medications that they give you, and also be on top of that. That and also stool softeners. So the first day is going to be you're going to be, they might keep you overnight, which they did with me, because I was a big hernia. My hernia was supposed to be 3 hours. It ended up to be 6 hours. The doctor, as soon as I woke up, the doctor said, big hernia, big job. Tall gentleman, Dr. Ginn, he was great. And now I'm going to go tomorrow to get my staples taken out. I'm still kind of scared. Getting the staples are on both sides and also part of my belly button area. I'm probably going to take one of the painkillers before I go in tomorrow morning, and then also, it might be a little painful, a little bit, just taking them out. But I'm glad, so now I can do the healing process again. I started driving 2 days ago, a little bit, going to the store, getting some stuff. Going to the office to get some paperwork to bring it back home so I could do a little work. So my time off work is about 2 weeks. I brought a lot of stuff home from the office here to the house so I could finish it. So actually, again, I forgot, day 2. Hopefully you will have a bowel movement. Take some softeners and eat good. That's something fiber, high fiber, beans, eggs. That's going to help you make a poop. So and you'll feel a lot better. But you'll have the pain on the sides. Pain medication every 4 hours. Do not make a mistake. You should be all right. I'm the 9th day today. I feel good. I feel strong. I'm gonna be working out. Not probably another month, but just carbs and stuff like that, basically, and cardio, but no lifting whatsoever. I had a really big hernia for about 3 years. Finally got it done. Thank God. And I know someone's out there looking at this video, and this I hope it will give you insight. But make sure you follow directions to whatever the doctor tells you, the surgeon does, because it'll help you. And make sure that you eat right and clean, vegetables, no solid foods for the first 6 days. Then after the 10th day, which is going to be tomorrow for me, I'm going to go ahead and may have a steak or something.